Shining at Jupiter is like looking at an artist's painting. But you know what? He even sends spaceships to study. This monster is an art in itself. The planet is about 628 million kilometers away and takes care of the planet better than we have in billions of years. Jupiter deflects dangerous asteroids that could hit our planet, the largest of the planets. Jupiter holds the secrets of the first solar system. Unfortunately, sending a spacecraft to study the planet is not easy. The gas giant's distance and deadly radiation have so far made it extremely difficult for spacecraft to orbit or fly by Jupiter. 9 spacecraft have hailed Jupiter, most flights. But wait, this video isn't about any of those tasks. Instead, it is one of the most complex space missions that NASA has launched to study the planet. I'm talking about the Juno spacecraft, a $1.5 billion mission that will complete a decade in space in 2021. Today I'm taking you on Juno's fantastic journey to Jupiter. Buckle up on a hot summer day in Cape Canaveral, Florida on August 5, 2011. NASA's Juno spacecraft has embarked on a 5-year journey to Jupiter aboard an Atlas rocket. Juno is designed to study the origin and evolution of gas giant planets. At the same time, it is tough enough to withstand the harsh and unforgiving conditions that the Earth has to offer. So begins the journey to the 5th planet in our solar system, but the journey to Jupiter will not be easy. Instead, Juno followed a complicated path. Therefore, Juno was initially placed in an orbit outside the orbit of Mars. It then performs a deep space maneuver to bring the spacecraft back to Earth for much-needed gravity assistance. The probe finally flew by Earth in October 2013, a flyby that accelerated it by more than 3.9 kilometers per second and eventually took it to Jupiter. It now runs at 93,000 miles per hour. Juno continues its 2-year journey to Jupiter. It spent most of those 2 years in safe mode, shutting down all non-essential systems. Finally, in January 2016, Juno began its final approach to Jupiter. During this period, capture stunning time-lapse video of Jupiter and its 4 Galilean moons. The video contains a series of images taken 5 days before the spacecraft arrived at Jupiter, exactly 0.8 million kilometers from the gas giant. Finally, in July 2016, Juno arrived at Jupiter after a 5-year journey. Juno is the fastest spacecraft in human history. Therefore, to slow down, Juno performed several maneuvers that eventually put it in an elliptical orbit around Jupiter. The orbit is designed to keep the probe at a safe distance from Jupiter's harmful radiation and close enough to make accurate observations. In August 2016, Juno orbited Jupiter for the first time. It captured some of the most stunning images of Earth, including an enhanced image that revealed blue cloud structures found nowhere else in the solar system. Juno also captured the majestic aurora borealis at the gas giant's south pole in infrared light, which is normally invisible to the human eye. Jupiter has some of the most powerful auroras in the entire solar system, and scientists haven't been able to figure out what causes these unusual auroras. However, Juno offers some of the same answers. The spacecraft indicates that Jupiter's auroras are likely the result of some process occurring deep inside the gas giant, rather than being caused by the Sun as they are on Earth due to its orbit designed only. Juno can get very close to the planet's atmosphere, sometimes traveling as far as 3,100 miles above the cloud tops. This allowed Juno to gather some of the best data on Jupiter's impressive cloud formations. Images taken by the spacecraft show colorful and complex fluffy clouds falling violently around Earth without a fixed surface. The giant clouds in the image stretch for miles and are made mostly of ammonium salts. Juno also photographed Jupiter's North Pole like never before. Infrared images show a giant, chaotic storm in the Arctic surrounded by 8 smaller hurricanes. Each of these storms is nearly large enough to engulf all of North America while exploring Jupiter. How do you forget the big red dot? The Great Red Spot, a giant hurricane located 22 degrees south of Jupiter's equator, is one of the most famous storms in the solar system. In July 2017, Juno captured high-resolution images of the Great Red Spot. 5 frames reveal the massive storm in unprecedented detail. Juno probed the depths of the Great Red Spot and found its roots 200 miles away, 50 to 100 times deeper than Earth's oceans. The spacecraft spotted several new storms tearing up the gas giant, while the probes directly detected Jupiter's internal magnetic field. This is actually a historic discovery, as it is the first time an internal magnetic field has been detected on a planet other than Earth. The Juno program was originally supposed to run until 2018, but it is revising its capabilities. NASA has extended the mission until September 2025. Thus, Juno is expected to vet some previous theories of the planet's formation in the coming years. Moreover, the observations are also likely to reveal the planet's deeper structure all the way to Jupiter's core. This means that this spacecraft will feed us with its enthralling observations and undoubtedly curate a history in the realm of space observations. If you like this video, make sure to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more.